Hello again, boys and girls. Today for our English language arts, we're going to be talking about digraphs. Now, digraphs are one of my favorite things to learn about because they are two letters that when they are put together makes one sound. We know a TH digraph, like a T says T and an H says H, but when they are put together, they make the sound. And then we have an SH digraph. S says S, H says H, but when we put them together, they make the sound sh. We know another one, W and H. W makes the sound w, and H makes the sound h. So when we put them together, they say w. Now we are going to learn about another digraph that we usually see this digraph at the end of the words. Sometimes we see it in the middle, but most of the time we see it at the end. This is the digraph CK. But this one is a little different because when we see a digraph like SH, S says S, H says H. But when they put it together, it makes a different sound than S and H. It says sh. But C and K, C says k, k, and K says k. They both kind of make the same sound, don't they? So CK together says k. When we say CK together, it comes from more of the back of the throat than the k, which comes from more toward the top of our mouth. It makes the k, k, k. It comes from the throat. So I'm going to write some words with the CK at the end and then some CK digraphs in the middle. Let's start with the CK at the end. Now, I have one of these, and you have one of these. It's called our back. Back. I'm going to write my CK in blue because that's my favorite color. Let's sound it out. B, A, K, K, CK. I just spelled the word back. Back. B, A, K. Yeah, back. And I see the CK digraph. Now, I'm thinking of another word. I do this when I leave my house. I lock the door. I lock the door. Let's sound out the word lock. L, ah. Ooh, I hear that k sound at the end. L, ah, k. Lock. And you know what? If you're spelling words like you hear them, you might have just spelled it lock, L-O-C, or L-O-K. But with digraphs, when two letters put together make one sound, we have to really practice writing and reading these words so that it becomes something we just know. Now, I have another word that I'm thinking of. This is actually an animal. It's an animal that flies and swims. It has little webbed feet and it can swim under the water and float on top of the water. That's right, I'm thinking about a duck. Let's spell the word duck. D. D. Make sure your D's are going the right way. D. duck. Oh, I hear that CK digraph at the end. Duck. Ooh, I'm thinking of another one. I have one of these. You do too. It holds up our head from our body, and it helps us move our head like this. Huh? It's our neck. Neck. Let's sound out the word neck. N, e, k. There's that digraph again. Neck. I'm kind of seeing a pattern. I'm seeing that there's a vowel before each of digraphs. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. I see an A, I see an O, I see a U, and I see an E. Ooh, I don't see an I yet. Let's think of a word that has the vowel I before the digraph. Ooh, I have one. Sometimes we see somebody doing this and it's really, really gross. And we have to tell them to stop. Sometimes they pick their nose. Ew, so gross. Ew, keep those germs in there or get a tissue. Let's spell the word pick. Let's spell the word pick. Ready? We're going to come down here. This will be the last one we do in this row. Ready? There's our vowel I. K. And the digraph P. K. Pick. I pick you to be my friend. Pick. All right. Now let's think of some words that have this CK sound in the middle. Now this one I'm really challenging your brain, okay? Let's make a little squiggle. I'm going to challenge your brain because I know you can do it. All right? I'm thinking of another animal. This lives on a farm. That's right. I'm thinking of a chicken. A chicken. Ooh, that has two digraphs in it. Did you know that? The beginning sound is a CH digraph. It says ch, 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 like cha, 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 cha. The cha-cha is a dance. Cha, 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 cha. Ready? Let's spell it. We really have to sound this out. Ready? Ch, e, k. Ooh. Chick, chicken. Chicken. A chicken. Yes. All right. Now, I have some of these in my pants. See? Do you have some in the pants you're wearing? A pocket. We put things in it that we want to keep safe and near us. Like, I might put my phone. I might put a pen. I might put my sunglasses. Yeah, we put things in these to keep them near us. And these are called pockets. Let's sound out the word pocket. P, a, k, k. Ooh, I hear that digraph. P, a, k, k. It. Et. Ooh, look. There's a vowel in chicken right before the digraph. the vowel I. Ooh, there's another vowel in front of the digraph in pockets. I'm sensing a theme here. I am noticing that there's a vowel before each of the digraphs. I bet that can help us when we are sounding out words. I bet it can. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words. We have 7 words that we thought about, and I know that you can think of more. There are a lot of words out there. Maybe you can look through a book to find the CK digraph. Maybe you can write a sentence and then go, oh, that's a CK sound. There are lots of ways that we can find new words. All right, boys and girls, your assignment with this is I want you to think of 5 words that have the CK digraph in them. The CK can be at the end or in the middle. And I want you to write them in your very best handwriting and send me a picture so I can see your beautiful work. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.